Guys, here you can see featured ads. Lots of people are promoting their products and services using this platform. You can click here to open this advertisement. Here you can see title. Here you can see image. And here you can see description. Guys, here you can see website URL. This post's admin has inserted website URL in description. Similarly, you can insert your website URL or CPA link in description. Let me show you how you can use this platform for your CPA offers. You can get lots of targeted users for your CPA offers. Here you can see categories. This platform have lots of categories to choose from. You can choose categories according to your CPA offer. Guys, I'm going to use CrakRevenue CPA network. Here you can see my result. And here you can see yearly payout. You can use any CPA network to choose CPA offer. You can use OG CPA network, CPA Grip network, Mileage CPA network, Max Bounty. You can use any CPA network. I'm going to use CrakRevenue CPA network. I'm going to share with you a step by step how you can get targeted users for your CPA offer. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on CPA network. You can click on promo tools button. Now you can click on smart links button. It will then take you to this page. You can choose your any of this category. Now you can select your promotion method. You can choose your posts. Guys, here you can see a smart link. You can click here to copy this smart link. Now you can go on tiny URL platform. You can paste your smart link. You can click on certain link button. Here you can see certain URL of a smart link. You can click here to copy this certain URL. Now you can go on this platform called 10dayads.com. Guys, this is a best platform to create advertisement. Here you can see featured ads. And here you can see categories. This platform have lots of categories. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on register button. It will then take you to this page. You can type your username, you can type your email address, password. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. You can verify this CAPTCHA. At last, you can click on register now button. After creating account on this platform, you can click on submit ad button. You can type your ad title. You can select your ad type. You can select your category. You can type your ad description. You can select your country. Guys, you can select your tier 1 country like United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Canada. You can select your tier 1 country. You can fill all of this information. You can upload your image. At last, you can click on publish ad button. I'm going to fill all of this information. You can type your ad title. You can select your ad type. You can select your ad category. Now you can type your ad description. In next step, what you will have to do is, you can insert your smart link. You can type your visit website. Now you can add your smart link. You can go on tiny URL platform. Here you can see certain URL of this smart link. You can copy this certain URL. Now you can paste here. You can type here some keywords. Now you can scroll down. You can select your country. Guys, you can select your tier 1 country. You can select your United States. You can scroll down. You can upload your image. Now you can scroll down. You can click on publish ad button. Guys, you need to type your price. You can scroll down. Click on publish ad button. Guys, here you can see congratulations. Your ad has been submitted and pending for review. After review, your ad will be live for all users. Here you can see image, you can scroll down, here you can see description, and here you can see a smart link. When user will visit on this smart link, then CrakRevenue network will show CPA offers according to user. When that user will complete the required step, then CrakRevenue network may credit your account. You can generate good amount of leads using this method. If you want to learn more about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.